Hi, I'm Nick with Mars Cars, and I'd like to teach you an easy way to put distilled water in your lead acid golf cart batteries. The first thing you're going to need to do is head to your local hardware store and get a 2.5 gallon chemical sprayer. Now you're going to need to get two of these, one for distilled water only, and the other one with baking soda and tap water for what I like to call cleanup. So the first thing you should do when you get your 2.5 gallon chemical sprayer is write distilled water only on the distilled one. That way there is no confusion in mixing the two. It could be potentially dangerous and will make a rather large mess. The second thing you should do is take off the spray pattern tip. So it's just an open tip that you can control very slightly with your throttle up here. Once you have your safety glasses on, because you are dealing with sulfuric acid, the batteries are located under the seat. You need to remove the cap, remove all of the caps, take a look at your indicator mark, make sure the batteries are full. If they're low, make sure the water is not filled above this plastic piece. Overfilling can cause a huge mess on your garage floor. Plus, it dilutes the acidity of the electrolyte in the battery, causing a decreased chemical reaction. You take the chemical sprayer and give it a little water and put your caps back on. Now, as a cleanup, you take your baking soda and just give it a little hose down. And anywhere that there's acid will foam up like hydrogen peroxide on a cut. And then neutralize with regular hose water, and you're done. Maintaining your batteries is the most important thing you can do for your electric golf cart. Mars Cars is here to help you with any of your needs, whether it be sales or service. Give us a call if you need anything, or check us out online at marscarsllc.com. Thank you for watching.